Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the HG After Colony Leo Space Type. So as you can tell from the box art here, this is a premium Bandai kit, and we all kind of knew this was coming once we got the HG Leo. We knew there was going to be a space type, probably a P-Bandai, and it did end up being the case. The really great thing about this, though, is that this kit does come with quite a lot of stuff in here for the Leo. So if you're a fan of the Leo and you want more Leo accessories, this is a really good kit to have. So that is why I have actually got two of them here. So thank you to USA Gundam Store for sponsoring this review. I ended up getting a second one for myself as well, just because there's so much great stuff in here for Leo fans. The Leo Space Type is actually my favorite of the Leos, so I'm really happy about this. We do also have the Flight Type coming out on the way as well, so I'll be getting that and reviewing that once that one is out as well. But again, guys, if you're looking for premium Bandai stuff or whatever else, check the link to USA Gundam Store. They're down below, and you can use my coupon code there, ZakuAurelius10, and save 10% on all that stuff, so check that out. So just really cool, simple box art here, but it looks nice. It's purple, as the Leo Space Type is. Around the box, it's all just simple, normal stuff, and the list price of 1,400 yen. Very, very cheap for a P-Bandai kit. I mean, it's just a cheap kit regardless, but if you're looking to get a P-Bandai kit, this one really shouldn't cost you all that much compared to other things. So of course we've got the new parts in there, the space backpack. We've got new weapons parts in here. We've got a lot of new weapons, which is again a great reason to get this kit. And that looks like it's our new parts. This looks like it's all of the parts from just the original Leo. So we've got 2 bags of original Leo and then 1 bag of, it looks like, 3 runners for the new parts. So let's get a look here at the manual. It's going to be all new in this case, so we don't have the original manual included. So we've got our parts list down there at the bottom, where you can see we've got a couple parts that are going to be left over that aren't going to be used. And I believe our paint list is where? Here we go. Color guide is in here at the back, but that's all in Japanese and English if you want to refer to that for the official colors. The construction is just, you know, simple. Body, head, arms, legs. Let's check out the weapons, because that's kind of the most interesting part of this. So here is a look at everything that is included with this. So you get the bazooka, the beam rifle, the just machine gun, the short beam rifle, and then these rifles as well. I actually don't even remember exactly what all of these weapons are actually officially called. I'd have to go back and check the wiki page maybe before I record the review for you guys. But yeah, there's a lot of different weapons included in here. So I believe that some of these are just like options. Like for example, here you can choose the short barrel, the long barrel. So it won't exactly be like you actually have 2 of those, I don't think. You just can choose. Also, it does have it in English here. It actually says colony type beam rifle, and that would be the short type beam rifle, the long type beam rifle, the mega beam cannon there, the 105mm rifle, which is just the same as the stock kit. And so there you go, and it just gives you some tips about how to hold the weapons and how to pose the kit. So let's get a look at the runners. Alright, so no stickers included with this at all, but we do have some polycaps here. PC7 for some ball joints, SB6 for some short type clear pink beam saber effect parts. Runner A here, again, of course, this is just all the parts from the original Leo, and you have the shield and all the armor parts there. It's all in this beautiful purple color. Runner B for all the joint parts and hands and things like that, as well as the feet, a few more parts there around on the kit. And this is going to be in a like navy color for all of that. Runner C is in 4 colors. We have some dark gray, basically black there for some parts at the bottom, just kind of medium gray throughout the center there, 1 clear orange part there for the visor, and then for the side parts of the head is like kind of dark maroon color. And then on to our new parts for the kit. So I was mistaken before. It's just 2 new runners for this kit, not 3. So here's runner F1. I can imagine runner F2 is going to be the parts for the weapons included with the flight type, but basically this is just all in dark gray for all the new weapons for this kit. And then runner G1 is the new parts for the shoulder armor, as well as the, of course, space type backpack here in purple. And again, I can imagine G2 is going to be another section of the runner with the parts for the flight pack for that particular release. So there you go, nice and simple. There is the space type Leo. I love the purple color. I love that space type backpack. It's really cool looking, and I love all the weapons included with this kit. So there's a lot to like for a very low price for this. Definitely worth checking out if you guys haven't. I know a lot of people bought multiples of this kit just because of all the reasons that I just listed. But let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below. If you do have any other further questions, of course you can leave those there as well. I'll see you guys in the review coming up next. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10
save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.